Good evening, children. I'm preparing assignments from the beginning. Whole numbers, playing with numbers. The assignments are in progress. Once they're all ready, you will have a few more sessions. Okay, so maybe you have to connect online to do those assignments. You'll come here only 2 days a week, but you might have to connect online and complete the assignments. All right, I'll let you know that later. I'm preparing. So once all the chapters are ready, I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a photo now. Yeah. Okay. And then in today's session, we're going to revise this chapter, mensuration. Okay. Yeah, please take down the questions. So find the length of a rectangular park whose breadth and area is given to you. Recall the formula. What is the formula to find the length given the breadth and area? Okay, so we'll go back to this. Is equal to length. Very good. Now listen to this one. Recall this. This is how we understood. 4 into 3. So Santosh, this is where you need to correct yourself. When I'm explaining, you have to stop writing and listen to me. So 4 into 3 is 12. All right. Now let's write some division facts based on this multiplication fact. This one is a multiplication fact. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 is a multiplication fact. The two division facts can be 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, right? Yeah, so 3 is equal to 12 divided by 4, or 4 is equal to 12 divided by 3, correct? 4 is equal to 12. See, this is a multiplication fact. The two division facts are 3 can be written as 12 divided by 4, or 4 can be written as 12 divided by 3, correct? Similarly, L into B is equal to area. Just look at this. L into B is equal to area. So you can write breadth as area by length, or length as area by breadth. No, tell me the two division facts for this one. Satakshi, tell me that now this one is a multiplication fact. Tell me the two division facts. Length is equal to area divided by breadth. Breadth is equal to area divided by length. Correct? Yeah. So that's what we have to write. So first write the formula, substitute the values and find the length. Yeah, do it. So how do we simplify, children? Let's divide in the tables of 5. Okay, so 5 how many times? 30? 6 times. So here 5 how many times? Divide and tell me. 525 divided by 5. Tell me how many times? 105. Yeah, 105 times. 105 times. Here 5, 1s are 5, 0, 2 comes down. Not possible to divide. So add a 0 and bring 5 down. So 5 5s are 25. So it's 105 times. Next. Now it's divisible by 3. 105 and 6 are divisible by 3. 3 how many times? 3 2s are 6. And here how many times 3? You can divide and check. 3 and 105. 3 3s are 9. 1. 5 comes down. 3 5s are 15. Correct? So this is 35 times. Now what do you have? 35 by 2. You cannot divide that any further. So 35 by 2 is 17.5. You should divide that. Must get divide and get the value. Divide. Yeah. You got 17.5, correct. Any questions here? Sorry? Yeah, fast. Division you shouldn't copy. Division you should have done before calculating. Maybe you can complete that later when you're working after. Yeah. Copy the answer. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Rupees 50. Who can read that? What is that slash in the middle? 50. So yeah. No. How do you read that? Rupees 50 per meter square. Per meaning for 1 meter square. Per meter square meaning for 1 meter square. PER per meter square. Yeah. Yes, Tanya is going to tell us how to work this answer. Yes, Tanya. What is given, Tanya? Okay, the side of the square field is given. Okay. Okay, find the area. 550 to get the what answer is that? To get the cost of ploughing the field. Yeah. Then very good. The cost of fencing the field. Very good. Yes. So where does the ploughing activity take place? Does it happen in the boundary or inside the field? Ploughing. You know, you must, yeah. So where does the farmer plough the field? The entire area of the field, na? And where is the fencing activity done? On the boundary, only in the border, the boundary. So if it is about if it's about fencing or building a compound wall, all that happens along the perimeter. But ploughing and then leveling the ground if the ground is in ups and downs, leveling the ground, all that happens in the area portion. So to find the cost of ploughing the field, we have to find the area. How do we find the area of the square field? Correct, side into side. Okay, you'll get the area. Now that's the area. Supposing the area is 100 meters square. Supposing the area is 100 meters square. Now what is given is to plough 1 meter square. To plough 1 meter square, the charge is rupees 50. To plough 1 meter square, the charge is 50 rupees. What is the area of your field? 100 meters square. 1 meter square to plough, 50 rupees you have to pay. So for 2 meters square, you have to pay 50 plus 50, 100 rupees. If the area of your field is 3 meters square, you'll have to pay 150 rupees. So if the area of your field is 100 meters square, then you have to pay 100 into 50. 5,000 rupees. So that is the cost of ploughing. Very simple, like one book costs 50 rupees. 100 books will cost 100 into 50. In the same way, 1 meter square costs 50 rupees. 100 meters square, your area, the area of the field, 100 meters square will cost 100 into 50. That's it. 72 into 72 and yeah. Next is about fencing. What's the formula to find the length of the fence? Yeah, 4 into side. 4 into side. Very good. 4 into side will give you the perimeter of the square field. Now the same understanding. 1 meter of fence costs 14 rupees. 1 meter of fence costs 14 rupees. So if if the perimeter of the square field is 100, 1 meter 14 rupees. 100 meters 1,400 rupees. Yeah, please work. Yeah. Yeah, start. Tell me what is 72 into 72. 5,180. Correct. Very good. Yeah, so like this, now you should do the calculation. You shouldn't work the answer and then copy the calculation. That's what I meant. You understood? Do I make sense in saying that? Yeah, after working the answer, you're just copying the calculation. Calculation is to be done by the student. Calculation you should not copy from the board. That you should work. No, see, this order you should work. Tell me the answer for this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
280. Which one? No.
Cost of pencil is 1,428.
No.
No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just 1,432.
No. Correct. No, ma, that's right. Please check your calculation. Understand the steps?
Yeah.
Have you got R.S. Agarwal with you now? NCRT you have? Okay. Will this book have mensuration? Give me your book. Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry? Got it? Very good.
Calculated opinions.
Done? You said you got 57 for 70, yeah? 57. Done, children?
They have a system like worksheet papers, the scanner will correct, and the exam paper, the teacher is. Worksheet paper, not today, I will send one scan paper and they have one app. Can we write the answer? Can we?
Yeah, tell me, how do we do this?
Yeah, this one. Okay. For this one, we will use the formula. Yes, yes, so that we get side to side, so that we get. So you are asking area, so side to side, we will get the answer as area. So 50 will get us get the answer.
No.
I thought it's a 3. We have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide it into one side.
Divide what? No, children, see the perimeter is given. What is given then? Side plus side plus side plus side is given, right? What is perimeter? Yeah. What is given? Perimeter. Perimeter means what? Side plus side plus side plus side is given. Okay. So that means 15 kilometers is 4 into side. So what is the side then? 15 divided by 4. Side is equal to 15 divided by 4. Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Yes or no? Yeah, so that is 15 divided by 4. So what is 15 by 4? Find the decimal value, all of you. Four, 3 is a 12. What's the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Then keep a point, add a 0. 7 is a 28. 2 is a remainder. Add a 0. 5 is a 20. So it's 3.75 kilometers. Now what is the formula to find area, children? Area of square park is equal to? How do you find the area? Side into side. Side into side. Side into side. So 3.75 into 3.75. Find this. And what is the unit for the answer? What is the unit for the answer? Area.
Yeah.
Kilometer square. Kilometer square. Yeah, good. And then place the decimal point. Yeah. Just take away the decimal point. 375 into 375. One lakh 40,000. No. 1,40,000. It's not 525, it is 620. Or if you should do the calculation. Yeah.
Operations.
Then what's the product? 140,625. What was the difficulty, Tanya? You just have to multiply 375 and 375. And now how many digits must be there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should place the decimal point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, we have 0.75, 0.75. So there are 2 digits. 2 plus 2, 4 digits after the decimal point, right? So in the product, you should place the decimal point in such a way that there are 4 digits after it. All right. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The top of the
That's all. That's all, darling. That's all.
top of the
That you have to find. Okay, we'll do it. You will have to divide the figure into rectangles and squares. Yeah, in the answer, see, I'm going to do the changes in this figure itself. You have to draw the figure once again in the solution. This is the question figure. Please draw the figure again. Write solution and draw the figure again in the solution. Ready? Are we ready? We'll do it together. No problem. Yeah. So children, we'll do it in two ways. All right, we'll do it in two ways, children. This is method one. All right. Method one. So show this in dotted lines, children. I said do two ways. I'll do it in two ways. This is the first method. Ready? Now, how much is it from here to here? Look at the board, all of you. Look at the board. How much is it from here to here, children? From here to here? 12 meters, correct? From this point to this point, what's the length? 12 meters. Now we know that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, correct? In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? So now this one is a rectangle, no? This one, see this one. This one is a rectangle, right? This one is a rectangle, right? So opposite sides are equal, correct? Opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? So now from here to here also will be 12, right? From this point to this point also will be 12. This one also is 12 because this is 12. Because this is 12. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, correct? But so this full thing is 12, of which this portion is 8. So how much will this be? 4. Because it should be 12, no? The total should be 12. The total should be, see, opposite sides are equal. The total length of this side should be 12 meters. But this is 8 from here to here. So the remaining portion should be 4 because 4 plus 8 is 12.
Why is it not? Why are they drawing?
That's what, see, for you, the most important thing is you should improve your focus. I said we'll do it in two ways. This is one of the methods. Okay, so I'm explaining this one. Next, we'll do that other way of dividing the figure. All right, children. Yes or no? This is 8, right? From here to here is 8, right? This one is 8. So how much will this one be? 4, because 4 plus 8 is 12. Opposite sides are equal. Now listen to this one. How much is this whole thing? 8. So this full thing will be 8, no? See, we have not joined. See, supposing you join this one, listen, you should just do that in your mind. So this one, this figure, see this figure is also a rectangle, correct? This one is also a rectangle, correct? Now this full thing is 8. So then this full thing also will be 8, right? Opposite sides are equal. No, we are not dividing that. We are finding the value. We are not dividing. We are not putting that. See here. This is 8, yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, if you join this like this, opposite sides are equal. So this also will be 8, yes or no? How much is it from here to here? 3. Because see here, this one is 3. So this also will be 3, right? So what is the remaining portion here then? 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So see here, I'll join this one alone. I'll join this one alone. This full thing is 8. So this full thing also should be 8. This full thing also should be 8. But this one is 3. This one is 3. So the rest of it will be 5 because 5 plus 3 is 8 and this is 8. Opposite, we are just using a simple property that in a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. See, I can show you again. Just visualize this. This one is a rectangle, correct? This one is a rectangle. Yes or no?
Yes.
This one is 8 is given. 8 meters is given in the question. So the Santosh, look at the board. The opposite side, this one also will be 8, correct? How much is it from here to here? 3, because this is 3. So opposite sides are equal. This is 3. So what will be the rest of it? 5. Because 5 plus 3 only will be 8. So I haven't finished. Listen to me. Let me just finish this. No, yeah, sure. I'll attend to that. So in the first method, look at the board. We connected this line segment, correct? This is 8 meters. This is 8 meters. This is 12. And this is 3. Now we are looking at this as one part and this one as a second part. The first part can be a square also, but you can in general call it a rectangle. Region 1 can be a square, but in general you can call it a rectangle. Region 2 is a rectangle. Okay, so we have divided the whole figure into 2 rectangles. All right, we have divided the whole figure into 2 rectangles by connecting this line segment. By connecting this line segment, we have divided the whole figure into 2 rectangles. Now, to find the area of these 2 rectangles, we need to know their respective lengths and breadths. Correct? Now, for this rectangle, what is the length? How much is this one? 4. We just found it's 4. Because this is 12. So opposite side also should be 12. But this one is 8, so this is 4. Now we need to find the breadth. We need to find its breadth. To find the breadth, what we did, this whole thing is 8. So this whole thing also should be 8, of which this one is 3. So the rest of it should be 5. This one should be 5. Breadth will be 5. So now we got the dimensions for the first rectangle. Correct? What are the dimensions of the second rectangle? The length is 12 and the breadth is 3. For the second rectangle, the length is 12 and the breadth is 3. Yes. Now I'll work it. I think you should understand better. Yeah. That's what method 2. See here. That's what method 2. We are finding the dimensions, no? We are finding the dimensions. I can tell you again. See here. This is the figure. We have to find the dimensions, right? Of region 1, correct? How do you find the dimensions of region 1? This full thing is 12, correct? So this one has to be 12, correct? It's 8 here, correct? So the rest of it is 4, correct? So for region 1, the length is 4, correct? Now we have to find the breadth, correct? Now this is 8. So this one is also 8, correct? If this is 8, this one is also 8, correct? How much is this one? 3. Because this is 3, this is 3. Then how much is this one? 5. Because this is 8, this has to be 8. But we have 3 here. So the rest of it should be 5. All right. So how much is this one? Now tell me, this is 4 and this is 5. Yes or no, children? So we found the length and the breadth of region 1. What about for region 2? What is the length of region 2? 12. The breadth of region 2? 3. 3. Who said 3? Very good. All of you got that? Okay, then you don't draw this figure at all. You're getting confused. It's not method 2. This is enough. Which one?
The 20 square.
20 meter square. 20 meter square is a unit. Yeah. What? Very good, very good. Ovia, yeah, you're out now. Okay. Correct. Correct. We'll start. So how do you find the perimeter? You don't have to draw it again. I'm just showing you here. See here. How much is this one? 8. How much is this? 12. How much is this? 3. How much is this? 8. How much is this? 5. Very good. How much is this?
4.
4. Very good. You should not go inside the figure. You must just go along the boundary of the shape. Add all the lengths, and that will be the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to perimeter of the figure. Perimeter of the figure is equal to 8 plus 12 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. What's the answer, Tanya? 40. 20, 31, 40. Very good. 40 meters. Yeah. Done all of you? Yeah. You can draw. It'll be useful, yeah. Make a rough figure, okay. Make a rough figure. Freehand. You don't have to use a scale and all that. Freehand. See your presentation and see what I have written. I've been insisting that you must write on exactly like what is on the board. Finished? Yeah. Done? Yeah. Now, yeah, I forgot to do the other method. Now, what's the other method here? You can try that at home by yourself. The other method is for this earlier question. The other method is, children, you can divide the figure into two rectangles like this. Correct? Okay, you can also do it like this. So you can call this region 1 and this region 2. Find the area of this rectangle. Find the area of this rectangle and add both. The area of the two rectangles will be different. You will not get 20 and 36. But the final answer, the area of the figure will be 56 only. The area of region 1 and region 2 will be different. But they'll add up to 56. Okay. So you can also divide it like this. This is region 1, this is region 2. Find the areas of the two figures and add. All right. Yeah. It's a cross. Plus symbol.
Yeah.
How? You don't have to make so many. So you have divided it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's correct. You're right. Yeah, correct. That's what you can just make two. One like this, one like. Yeah, correct. That's what. How have you divided? So it'll be, yeah, top one rectangle like this and one below. Correct. So region 1, region 2, region 3. What will be the area of region 1? How much is this? 5. How much is this one? 11. So what is the area of region 1? Yeah, area of region 1 is equal to L into B, correct. 11 into 5. 55 meters square. What is area of region 2? So you should find the length from here to here, children. From here to here is the length. Look at the board, Ovia, Tanya, and others. The length of the second rectangle is from here to here. Yes or no? So it will be 11. This is 11. How much is this one? Correct. How much is this one? 11, right? How much is this? 5. And how much is this? 11. So 22 plus 5, 27 is the length. You have a doubt, Tanya? You're adding. How much is it from here to here, Tanya? This one, how much is this one? 11. And how much is this one? 5. And how much is this one? 11. So what will be the total length? $27. Yeah. What's 27 into 5? All of you understand? 1?
31.
What's area of region 3? You're not answering anything, Santosh. Correct. What's the length, Santosh, for region 3?
For region 3, length is 11 meters and width is 5 meters.
Very good.
So 11 plus 3.
Very good. Yeah. Very good. 245. Yeah. 245 meters square. Yeah. Perimeter. Shall we do it together? Perimeter. So see here, we'll start from here. We'll start from here. How much is this? 5. This one, 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11. Correct? Yeah, do that and tell me the answer. Yeah, darling. 200? Okay, we'll see. Yeah. It's 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11 plus 11.
Instead of doing this, you put 11 plus 5
Whenever it's perimeter, no, you should show what all you're adding. Then in the next step, you can do 11 taken whatever times, 5 taken whatever times. That you can do the next step. But first you must show what you're adding. 5, like what I've written there.
The showing the asking that we can.
It's not wrong, but you need to present what you're adding. Yeah. So 11 taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 88 it will be plus 5 taken 4 times, so 20. So you all got 108. If you got that, that's equal to 108 meters. Correct?
Mom, I need the boat. I doesn't think well to buy the boat race.
Okay, very good.
How many? What's the after?
Tiles. It's the they're the dimensions of the surface of a wall. I'll show you it. Now just okay, just imagine that part of the board to be the wall. Okay, that part of the board. No, everywhere it's. So can you see that rectangular board? Okay, imagine that's the wall. So it's nothing but the surface of the wall. It's a surface on one side. Okay, that's the surface of the wall. So the length of the wall and the breadth of the wall is given to you. The length of the wall and the breadth of the wall is given to you. You need to stick tiles, marble tiles on the wall. You're not painting your wall. You're fixing tiles on the wall. We have seen this in hospitals or maybe in our bathrooms. We put tiles on the wall, right? So just imagine that's the wall and you need to, the length and the breadth of the wall is given 4 meters by 5 meters. You need to stick tiles on that wall and the dimensions of the tile of each tile is 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. The question is how many tiles will be needed? How many tiles will be needed is the question. Correct. The order is 25 by 10. 20 means length by breadth. As Santosh was saying, it's always length by breadth. Yes. No, not like that. No, because see, if the rectangle is like this, then this is the length and this is the breadth. If the rectangle is like this, then this is the length and this. So here you can see that the length is greater than the breadth, but here you can see that the breadth is greater than the length. So you can't say, it can be any base. And one more thing is you can take anything as the length and breadth because your area will not change. Area or perimeter will not change. It will be the same. You can take anything as length and breadth. Okay, so you've forgotten the formula. I gave you a formula for this, children. First thing is you have to have the dimensions in the same unit. Now, which is the smallest unit here? Centimeter or meter? Centimeter. So you should change the dimensions of the wall, which is in meter, to centimeter. Okay. Length of wall. What is it? Length of wall is equal to, or you can 1 minute, you don't have to do so many steps also. I'll give you the formula straight away. The formula is number of tiles needed is equal to, children, is equal to area of the wall divided by area of one tile. Area of one tile. This is the formula. What's the area of the wall, children? Length into breadth, right? So we'll use capital L and capital B. By area of the tile is also L into B. Wall is big, so capital L, capital B. Tile is small, so small L, small b. All right. Now substitute the values. Now stop writing and tell me. Next, what should I write? No, for the numerator, it is area of the wall. So what is the area of the wall? 4 meters into 5 meters divided by 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So what is 4 meters equal to, children? How many centimeters? 4 meters is how many centimeters? 4 meters is 400 centimeters. So 400 centimeters into 5 meters is 500 centimeters divided by 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. See, we now, can you see all the values are in centimeter? Now you can cancel. Now you can cancel. You should not cancel when the numbers are in different units. Then you should not cancel. Now you can cancel. Huh? Yeah, we'll cancel zeros. Yeah, do that. Do cancel and tell me the answer. Yeah, please. Yes. Please copy and then do the simplification.
Okay.
So remember the formula. Number of tiles needed will be area of the wall by area of one tile. After simplifying, you're saying, yeah, keep simplifying. Further, yes. You should not multiply, children. Santosh. You should simplify. See, I'll simplify. Look at the board. 25, ones are 25, correct? And 25, how many times 500? 25 twos are 50 and add a 0. What did you understand? No. Are you aware as to how to simplify, Santosh? Yes or no? Don't know, is it? Okay, then I'll tell you. See here. Take one number from the numerator, take another number from the denominator. Understood that? Okay, now I'm taking 500 from the numerator and 25 from the denominator. Okay, now I'm going to divide 25 and 500. Use the tables. 25 ones are 25, correct? 25, how many times 50? 2 times 50. So 500 will be 20 times, no? So cancel now. 25 ones are 20. This one is 20 times. Now this 20 and 20 will get cancelled. Why? Because 20 ones are 20, 20 ones are 20 will get cancelled. Now what is in the denominator? Only 1 is there in the denominator, correct? Now multiply the numerators. What is in the numerator? Only 400 is there. Then now everything is simplified, cancelled. So that means 400 tiles are needed. Even if you multiply, you will get multiply and then divide, you will get the same answer. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you should. Here it is tiles, no? So no unit, 400 number it is. No, you must write the unit. No. Unit is needed. Here there is no unit. You can, number of tiles needed is 400. Yeah, you should write, but here I've already written number of tiles needed. So is equal to 400. I've written here, see, number of tiles needed is equal to 400. I've written here, see, a number of tiles needed is equal to 400. I've written tiles here. if you want me to write number of tiles needed is equal to 400 tiles, that's okay. You can write that also. This way only you should calculate. But the thing is, you'll be faster in calculating. You'll just do it in your mind. This is how we calculate in real life also. Come in, no, children, come in. Come in and sit. Come in. Hello. Recording பார்த்தாரா?
எக்ஸாம் அப்படி எக்ஸாமுக்கு படிச்சுட்டு பார்க்க முடியல. இப்ப வந்துதான் சாயந்தரம் தான் பார்த்தா. ஓ நேற்று எக்ஸாம் இல்லை, நேற்றே பார்க்க சொன்ன. நேற்று வேற எக்ஸாம், சோசியல் எக்ஸாம் பார்க்க முடியல.
ஓகே சரி. இப்ப எப்படி அதாவது இன்னைக்கு முடிஞ்சதை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறோம். அந்த ரெக்கார்டிங் பார்க்க சொல்றீங்களா? அப்புறம்
ஓகே. இன்னைக்கு ஆனா நியூ சாப்டர் எதுவும் இன்னைக்கு நடத்தல.
நியூ சாப்டர் ஒரு நிமிஷம். நியூ சாப்டர்னா அதோட கண்டினியூவேஷன் தான். ஓ லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் அதோட கண்டினியூவேஷன் தான் வரும்.
பார்த்தான் சாயந்தரம் தான் பார்த்தான் கொஞ்ச நேரம்.
ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. ஓகே முடியும் நினைச்சு பார்க்கலாம். அவரு தான் சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஆமாம்மா அவர் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஓகே 9:30.
9:30 ஓகே மேம். இப்போ வந்து அடுத்த மாசம் பே பண்ணலாங்களா?
நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்னா அதாவது செப்டம்பர்ல சொல்றீங்க.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீக்ல.
ஓகே சரி. ஓகே
புரிய எப்படி பார்த்தேன் கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. ஏன்னா கொஞ்சம் வீக்கு தான்.
இல்ல மேம் கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஆகும். 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப குரூஷியலான, அதனால they will take time.
கேட்டேன் தம்பி புரியுதா தம்பி
இதுதான் சொல்றேன். நல்ல இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சாப்டர்ஸ்லாம் மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah, children, tell me this one because I have a set of questions for you. Now tell me if I give you area of a rectangle, okay? Not area, sorry. I give you the perimeter of a rectangle, okay? I give you the perimeter of a rectangle, all right? And I give you the length of the rectangle. How will you find the breadth? I give you the perimeter, and I give you the length. How will you find the breadth? No. Very good. Yes. Not into. No. Yeah, correct. You must first find the semi-perimeter. For area, area is L into B is equal to area. So there it will be division. Very good. Yeah. With the help of perimeter, you should find the semi-perimeter. All right. So how will you find the semi-perimeter? Supposing perimeter is 100. Semi-perimeter will be 100 by 2, which is 50. All right. Then the length is given. The length will be given. Supposing the length is, say, 20 meters. So semi-perimeter minus the length will be the breadth. If you want to find the length, it will be semi-perimeter minus breadth. So see, you should use these formulae, children. This is for a rectangle. For a rectangle, listen to me. length is equal to area by breadth. Breadth is equal to area by length. All right. Also, if you're given the perimeter, you should find the semi-perimeter. Then length is semi-perimeter minus breadth. Breadth is semi-perimeter minus length. If the perimeter is given, you should find like this. Length and breadth you should find like this. If area is given, you should find length and breadth is like this. If area is given, you should find length and breadth like this. If perimeter is given, you should find it like this. Yeah, you can make a note. So if area is given, you can write this. If area is given, or if area of rectangle is given, if area of rectangle is given, then L is equal to area by breadth. B is equal to area by length. If perimeter of rectangle is given, then length is equal to semi-perimeter minus breadth. Breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. All right. Yeah. Ready? Take down these questions. Okay, you just complete this table, okay? Yeah, take down the table. You have to do the calculations. You cannot just fill it without calculating. You need to work and then fill the answer. Correct? You need to work and then fill. You cannot guess and fill it.
What is something like EM?
Decimeter.
Oh, what's this?
Decimeter. Yeah, that's all, children. Sorry. Yeah. Please take down fast. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter.
What's millimeter?
DM. One decimeter is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means 1 decimeter. Taken the question? Yeah, here. Oh, you can don't change an object. Continue work. Yeah.